Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of the CPA project, which launched on the 1st of August at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this new release from Palab Ghosal, Ram Rawat and Will Weatherly that shows you how they made $298.10 in CPA commissions in less than 24 hours with a unique CPA traffic strategy. If you're brand new to what CPA is, it stands for cost per action, and it's an ideal way to make money online if you're brand new to internet marketing, because unlike affiliate marketing or anything like that, you don't actually need to sell stuff to make money with CPA. The reason that it's called cost per action is that you normally get paid just for getting a piece of information. It could be someone's name and email address. It could be just something as simple as getting like a postcode, a zip code off of someone, or a phone number, something like that. In each case, it will be slightly different, but you will be rewarded. The CPA reward will be just for getting that piece of information off of the prospective client. So if this sounds like it's something that's of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up the CPA project from the link immediately underneath this review video. I've put together 5 custom bonuses, and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point I'm afraid they will expire. Now, as usual, folks, I don't want that to happen because, as I say, they're custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what other affiliates are offering with their copies of the CPA project, because you can, of course, come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a little bit special. I'll also be taking you inside the members area of the CPA project. There we are. We'll also be having a little look at the upsells in the funnel. And of course the sales page. So let's go to that now. The sales page does go onto this screen when you stay on it a little while. It'll actually give you a discount down to $10.95 from $12.95. I think it is what are we talking about? $12.95 is the normal price, and then $10.95 if you stay on it for 2 minutes. So to get to the normal version of the sales page, I think I need to click on this button here, and that should take us over to that. So this is what the
Were you showing Ferraris?
This is what the sales page normally looks like. So this is the sales video, which is also on my bonus page. So do have a look at that. So, as I said, if you're struggling with CPA affiliate marketing, or you've never done CPA affiliate marketing before and you just like the idea of giving it a go, then you can learn powerful, easy to follow strategies to systematically grow your campaigns. Copy 5 minutes of work and enjoy real profits in as little as 1 hour. You need 0 startup budget. You get passive income without selling. 3 simple copy and paste steps. Make money without leaving your home. Case studies included. Includes the secret of getting laser targeted CPA traffic. It's a brand new beginner friendly system and a unique system that's never been revealed before. Now, as I said, you will see this price of $12.95, which is the current launch front end price. And I think if you stay on this page for 2 minutes or more, if you sort of go up here with your cursor, it will give you the option to pick it up for $10.95. In fact, by the time we come back to this page, it will probably have changed. So they are the 3 there. As I said, the vendors, Palab Ghosal, Ram Rawat and William Weatherly. So let us head back over to my bonus page if we can, and have a look at the custom bonuses. So these are, as I said, on the bonus page, you'll also see here this video. So my first custom bonus is the Ultimate CPA Beginners Masterclass. So this is a beginner's masterclass in cost per action marketing for absolute beginners to the genre. If you have a little bit more experience, or you can take it once you've done this one, I've also included advanced VIP training class. So this is about an hour and a half of training. I think this one's a bit longer, maybe about 3 hours worth of training from memory. Don't hold me to that. Then we've got CPA Income Crusher for those of you that like to absorb your information in written form. The fourth bonus I'm including is 10 websites to earn $100 a day on in 2019. And the fourth bonus, not related to CPA, but just another method that you can use to make $100 a day with free traffic. Okay, so as you can see, when we go back to the sales page, it will have defaulted to this $10.95 offer. You also get some bonuses on the front end as well, folks. So let's just go and have a look at those. Should be down here. Just bear with me. They should still be on this secondary page. Obviously, I'll let you read through the sales page on your own. What's included in this? Pillar 1 is finding your roadmap to success using their blueprint. Pillar 2, building your own CPA machines. Pillar 3, learning and building funnels. Pillar 4, mastering traffic sources. Bonus 1 is $1,000 a day in CPA marketing live training. Bonus 2 is mastering CPA traffic from Quora. Bonus 3 is CPA list domination. And bonus 4 is access to the CPA project mastermind group. Okay, so let's head into the members area. The first thing you should do is watch this
This
overview.
is Will Weatherly along with Palab Gashal and
So Will is going to lead you through the course. So you can download a PDF version of the course by clicking on this button here. You can also access all of the resources by clicking on this button here. That will open up a resources page for you to look at, which obviously you can click on those individual links. Then you get training on how to select offers to promote on Max Bounty, which is one of the main CPA platforms, also how to get approval, etc. The Max Bounty application, best practices, again, that's part of the approval process. How to identify trending offers on ClickBank, finding and uploading a Creative Commons YouTube video, creating a promotional image on Canva, how to create value promo videos using YouTube Movie Maker, how to create the same using WeVideo, Google Docs versus landing pages, setting up the Google Doc, best ways to mask an affiliate link, identifying trending videos using vidIQ, how to create a suggested video based on trending videos, creating a magnetic thumbnail and finding keywords for YouTube description, the Twitter method, ninja hacks and strategies, the Facebook group and pilot poster method, a visual overview and final thoughts on the CPA project. And then you've got all of your exclusive bonuses down here, folks. You just click on them to access, and you've also got some unannounced bonuses. If you click on this button here, that will take you over to another page with some unannounced bonuses on it as well. And sorry, I did say we'd have a look at the upsells as well, didn't I? So the first upsell is $37, and that's done for you campaigns. So for this upsell, you'll get, I think it's 37. Let me just check that price. Yeah, 37. You'll get landing pages, articles, content, offer details and email swipes, succeeding offer details, ad images and audience details. Plus you'll get a special CPA list domination as a bonus that uses Bing ads to dominate CPA. The second upsell is $100 CPA method, which is 47. And in this upsell, you get a unique approach to CPA where the buyer will get to learn, that's you, will get to learn on how to set a CPA passive income system on autopilot to make easily $100 a day. And then within a week, how to scale it to $200 a day, $300 a day, and eventually up to $500 a day, just from CPA. The third upsell is $27, and that is 5 CPA case studies. These are 5 video case studies that will show you exact offers, landing pages used, ad images used, exact ads running on Google AdWords, full details about targeting, and the top 5 niches will be covered. And finally, No, that is the final upsell, $27. Let me just check. There's nothing under here. You've got reseller rights as well. I don't think I've got a price for that. All right, folks. So that is pretty much it. As I say, if you want to pick up all of these additional bonuses here, click on any of these green buttons. That will take you through to the sales page. You can pick it up for $10.95 if you hang around for a couple of minutes on the sales page, and then that will bring you back into the receipt area at Warrior Plus. Sorry, there's me. Click on the green button to access your copy of CPA project, and click on the blue button there to access your custom bonuses. And that is pretty much it, folks. Going to give this a 4 out of 5 review. All that remains is for me to thank you for watching and listening to this brief review video. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of the CPA project.